Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're planning a trip through Expedia and want to keep everything organized on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today, we're covering how to add an Expedia trip to your iPhone calendar in 2025. This quick guide will save you time and help you stay on top of your travel plans. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have the Expedia app installed on your iPhone. If not, open the App Store, search for Expedia, and download it. It's free and straightforward. Once installed, launch the app and log into your account. If you're new, sign up quickly to access your trips. Next, navigate to the My Trips section and select the trip you want to add to your calendar. In the 2025 update, Expedia has improved its interface, so look for a dedicated button that says Add to Calendar or Export Itinerary. Tap on it to proceed. If you don't see that option right away, go into the trip details page. There, you'll find an itinerary summary. Tap the share icon. It looks like a square with an arrow. From the sharing menu, select Export to Calendar, or choose to save as a .x file. Your iPhone will then prompt you to open it in the Calendar app. In the Calendar app, review the event details like dates, times, and locations. Make any necessary adjustments, then hit Add Event to save it to your preferred calendar, such as your personal or work one. This integrates seamlessly, syncing across your devices if you're using iCloud. A quick tip: if things aren't working, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version for 2025 to avoid compatibility issues. Also, double-check that your Expedia account is up to date. And there you have it. Your Expedia trip is now in your iPhone calendar. This simple hack will keep you organized and stress-free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.